my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook dessert of my pumpkin. This is Asian pumpkin, small little pumpkin. I'm get ready to make a dessert. Okay, I'm gonna show you how. Very healthy to eat dessert. You don't feel guilt because it's a pumpkin. Pumpkin good for you. Everybody know it. Come, I boil the water. So I'm gonna go ahead drop this pumpkin in here. Okay, drop it down here. Okay, the pumpkin in the pot right now. And this creamy coconut right here is a Thai product. Okay, they call the names Aloy D. This is the best product I love to use. So I'm gonna go ahead put this coconut in here. Okay, coconut in the pumpkin. Let them cook. So pumpkin is gonna be very healthy, guys. Dessert, you eat dessert, don't feel guilt. And okay, guys, I use the brown sugar right here. Brown sugar is very healthy, and I'm gonna go ahead put the brown sugar. This is brown sugar. Put in here. More healthy, guys. When you cooking dessert, use brown sugar. Don't use white sugar, because brown sugar more natural. See that pumpkin dessert? Let them cook, okay? Guys, this sea salt. Remember when you make dessert, just tiny bit salt, okay, to make it taste good. Drop a little bit salt in there. That's it. I want to add more coconuts, but I want more in soup. Now I just want to go ahead and put coconut, all of this in here. Add more coconut, so I have to add more brown sugar in here. But I add more coconut, so need a little bit more sugar. Add on, add some more salt because I add a bit of sugar and coconut, so I have to add some more salt in there. Alright. Gonna go ahead and taste. Oh my God, so good. Okay, I'm gonna add tapioca right here, the colorful tapioca. Gonna go add make it nice and thick. Just about this much, not too much. Right here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the part of the tapioca in here. Okay. All right. Let's go, boy. See that? Be nice and thick a little bit. Let them boil for a minute. Okay, this panda, when you cook dessert, panda make a soup. Dessert smell good, tastes good. So put in there. Okay, let them cook for a minute. This is young coconut in the can, in the jar. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in. Yeah, go ahead, drop this young coconut in here. Oh yeah, look at the coconut, young coconut. Okay, everything looking good now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off. Ready to eat. Yep. Okay, guys, ready to serve. Look at this coconut right here. Look at that. Ready to serve. Oh yes, ready to serve. This is very healthy dessert. Okay. Very healthy